Alright, today we're gonna be playing Animal Company with my friend.
I can't do this anymore.
Wait! Don't do it! No!
We're gonna be playing Animal Company with my weird-ass friend. He's a
Stupid Pubian.
Whoa! That's not very nice, bro. You know what I do for a living?
You breathe oxygen.
You're not getting away with this.
You breathe oxygen. Wait, hold on, let's go get the egg. Let's go get the egg.
The egg? Alright, let's go get
The egg. Oh, wait! Okay. Egg! You stupid. Come on, let's go get the egg. Come on. That's not where the egg is.
Oh, this is not where the egg is. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, stupid.
They changed this?
They changed it, yes.
They changed it.
Yeah.
No wonder.
Let's go.
What?
The egg is this way, stupid.
Why'd you so fast?
I don't think that worked out very well.
No.
Wait, hold on. This is proof that landmines don't really explode. Real proof. Come here.
What a dummy. What a loser. Look at this loser.
Alright. Oh wait, I know something that could kill the chicken. Okay. Wait! This ain't your video, buddy. This isn't your video. This ain't your video. You can't do anything.
Yes, I can.
I know. I have a grenade. I can kill the chicken. I can kill the...
Oh, wait. Is that work?
Yes, it does. I've tried it before.
No
Stupid.
way, bro.
I'm not joking!
He's...
Oh, shoot! Boom! Go boom!
I put the egg. The egg is on the. I just barely made it.
I think it went to the freaking I think it went to the lava or the
No,
sea,
it
whatever.
didn't fall in. It didn't fall in. It landed
How do
on
you
the,
know?
Because I watched it.
No, you didn't. You're right. Here, can I have the egg real
I
quick?
am always right.
I'm totally not gonna throw it in there. Trust me. Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? Chad, I don't think he trusts me. I'm gonna cancel him for that. Wait. Get over here. Get over here. You... Put the one. Ah! Did you just do a little dance?
Oh yeah, money, green, money's on.
You wanna go to the sewers where you can like get a billion, trillion, gazillion dollars?
Yes.
Alright, let me get the flashlight. Okay, I got my flashlight.
Oh.
I got my flashlight. Let's go.
You don't have a flashlight.
No! Stupid poopy. I already have a flashlight. Plus, I only have one hand, so don't be scared of me. Only
No,
be scared of me when I
flashlight.
have two hands.
No, I threw my flashlight.
Your trash light? That makes so much sense. I did not know a trash light was a thing.
Did we lose
Yes.
our stuff when we died? Yes.
Yeah,
we did.
what? Yes, we do. Stupid.
Oh, how does the eye work?
Basically, do not touch these things. You see
Okay,
those?
that's what I thought.
Oh my gosh, you just touched them! Stupid.
thick and wing, I took a bit of
You look
it,
so
thick and...
unknowledgeable there.
You literally
Here's my
touched them.
flashlight.
Thick and wing, hot dog.
Alright, I'll tell you when to go because I'm him.
Huh? I said, look at that yacht jiggle.
I know. I got one that jiggles in real life.
You know.
It's a boom boom!
It's a boom
You
boom.
think I didn't watch Jason's video on YouTube? My ugly mistake. What is it? What is it? What is it?
It's a mimic. Don't die from it.
Okay, so do you know how to parkour?
Oh heck yeah! That's my deal.
Good.
Not around ourselves apart.
Good
Like-
eating.
You almost died, and that almost scared the shit out of me.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Why are we going up here? Don't we gotta go there?
They change the path every update.
Oh! Wait, I gotta change my...
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's beat him up. Come on.
How often do you play this game? That you know like almost every single way to go?
I played this game for like a couple. Wait for me, you stupid poop.
Yeah, I'm doing.
On the block.
There's a big jump here. I'm not trying to make it up.
That jump is easy.
Come on. Yeah.
And you failed.
Skibbity to the toilet. No,
Are you here yet?
no, I'm not, you stupid.
Right, gotta be delicate. Very spooky. Very spooky stuff. Very spooky.
You're taking forever.
I died by the eyeball.
Bro.
Very stupid again. Very stupid. Very stupid. Very stupid. Very stupid monster. Very stupid. Shoot! I can't make the Pokemon! Monkey.
Are you alive? Are you on
Yes. I'm alive.
But that sounds so echoey.
Look at your
Alright, bro.
Hello.
Hi! Don't worry, I will not make it.
Oh yeah, that was such an easy jump you could have made.
Well, I only messed up because
So how do you
no,
make
A.
Oh, you
Stupid. Use your brain.
Okay, I was literally thinking of that, but like... Oh yeah.
Oh, I don't.
What the? What is that? I thought that was you!
That is me.
It's green. Ew. What else is there?
Shut up. Don't be scared.
So what
Alright,
was that?
follow me.
Yeah.
Come on.
What the green guy?
Come on.
Yeah, dude.
You see this area? This is where you get the goods.
Is this a backpack? Are those backpacks?
Yeah, they cost like 1,000. What? Come on.
Hold up, Jen.
You don't need that.
Yes,
They're not really like backpacks, but like, yeah. You can put 'em on
Can
the-
you put things in them though?
No. Alright, come on. You,
Okay.
you gotta be sneaky, very sneaky.
Don't
Don't touch that, you're gonna die!
Okay, go!
Shut up!
Do not. Oh my god, I don't like this.
Just don't die.
No, I'm not gonna make it! Oh. Ow. Oh, you can touch that. Okay. It just
Yeah.
hurts.
Yeah, it just makes you go, ow! That hurt. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Yeah, I'm coming. Go, go, go.
Come on, come on, come on.
on.
Are you coming?
Get your yacht. Go.
I'm yachting. That made no sense. You scared the crap out of me. The way you went, that's scary. Shut up.
My arms are like really long.
Oh, I think I'm going. I think this is the wrong direction.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's all your fault.
Alright. Just because this is your video doesn't mean you can boss me around, okay?
Yeah. Shut up.
I'm gonna go over that. Bro.
Don't worry, we just gotta hurry. Hot.
Hurry? What do you mean hurry?
Hurry.
Oh. Oh yeah. I'm doing that. Alright guys, this is my POV. Sticky died. What a loser. So
You got it?
Yeah. Oh no, what the frick? Oh, what a loser. No! Oh. Okay. We chill. Chat, we chill. I thought we were dead. Oh my god. Please. Okay. Chat, I don't know where I'm going. What is that? Oh, it's the angler guy again. Do I have to get to the middle? Oh, I've got to get to the middle. I got this. Whoa. Why am I so slow? Frick! What is that? Please. Oh my god.
I heard those noises. Now I think you died.
Oh, no way.
No!
I got to the end and I tried to
What'd you
pinch
die
climb
by?
the pillars, but you were like, had no freaking mobility to it.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Wait. Okay, go up there. But where are you?
No, bro. I'm not. No.
Oh shoot! I'm about to fall on my bed. Ah! No!
Get ready, toilet will be mine, yeah.